So, welcome to the Python tutorial, and we will going to understand the basics today. And in the basics, we will going to understand how you can create a variable in the Python and how the variable in Python is helpful in storing certain values inside it. It can store a variety of things inside it and variety of values. So we will be using the EduBlocks platform for understanding the Python. So now let's see how the platform EduBlocks look like. So it looks like this, and we will going to click on start coding. When we click on the start coding, it will first of all load, and it will we will be doing the block coding. Through the block coding, we will be understanding the Python. So we can select here Python, and we will write the project name as Python variables, and you can set the mode as Python 3, and you can select the block coding, and you can also select the text only if you want to have knowledge of the text in the Python. And now let's understand that how to create the variables. So for creating the variables, whatever we need to do, whatever coding we need to do, we will be doing it after this start code here block. So now I need to um, put a print statement. It means I need to print something, right? So since we will focus purely on the block coding, since it's our first session of the Python, so we will be doing the printing thing. So I will be printing here, then let us create a variable. So a variable is like an empty box. You need to fill it with your favorite toys. You need to fill it, that empty box. So how you will fill it? You will first of all pick up a toy of your choice and you put it in that box. In the same way, you choose any value and you decide in which variable I want to keep it. And accordingly, you will place that value inside that box. So now let's go to variable section, and it's a second section, and you will click on create variable. So it will ask you the name of the variable. So variable name is the programmer duty to assign any variable name. So I will be keeping here toy as a variable name, and here you can see our variable is created. In Python we will say it like this: our variable is initialized. After your variable is initialized to 0, now you can assign any value to your variable. But the initial value should always be declared as 0. Now, after this, you can use your variable and you can assign it any value. Like I am assigning it 23, and now you can print. If you want to print it, if you want to print any value, you can again write it like this, and you can use this variable, because first of all you have created a variable, you have assigned it a value, and then you want to print it, that the updated value of that particular variable toy. So you can print it. So if you will going to run this, you will see the result. After this code is executed, after this code is run, you will see the value. The output will be shown. Yeah, so 230 is the value that get printed. Now, if I want to store any name inside it, how I will do this? I will just use quotation marks, and then I will start storing the value inside it. So don't forget to put a double quote if you want to assign any name to your variable. So toy name may be any dragon, like dragon, and then you can stop this code and run it again. So now you will see see a different output here, that is where a dragon is actually the name inside the double quotes. So you will see the output accordingly. Okay. So this is how we have learned about the variables and how to declare the variables. We have learned about that. In the next session, we will going to see how to create different variables and use them for simple calculations.